Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another Sunday Live. I am 5 minutes early this time. I posted the time on my Facebook page, and I know most of you are already joined up. You are giving thumbs up, that's good, thank you so much. Hey Shubrat, hey Ranjim, hey Namisha, Namish, Gurmeet, hey TechMates. So we are gonna discuss something today which is very important, so stay tuned. And this is related to building up your portfolio, your profile that is going to help you in getting your very first job or to make a switch from your job. This is going to be really a fruitful discussion that we're going to make, and everything is going to remain free. The plan is really good, so I would recommend you to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned, stay joined up, stay here so that we can have discussion and can have some fruitful discussion. Not a discussion like Arnab, you know him. It's not going to be a discussion like that. I will try to listen to all of you so that you can suggest me some good things, and I will share what my plans are. All these things, so definitely it's going to be really fruitful. The whole idea, the whole concept behind this channel is to promote programming, regardless of what kind of programming it is. The whole agenda is to promote programming. It can be JavaScript, it can be Java, it can be iOS, it can be web development, it can be Salesforce or anything like that. So we are going to discuss that. And yes, everything we are going to discuss right now, let's just focus on the concept of star student that I'm about to start at Learn Code Online. So definitely stay tuned. I'm not going to start the things a little early because I know I have given a time of 2 o'clock and I'm a little bit early. So in the meantime, I'm going to be saying hey to all of you. Hey Marks, Mark Mayes, how are you? Hey Techie Rahul, hey Rohit Singh. I came late. No, you didn't came late. Hi, how are you in, where did that go? It just went so quickly. Now, are you Ahmedabad Garba? I enjoyed Ahmedabad Garba because if it is Garba, it has to be in Ahmedabad, and that is why mainly the reason I was there. Enjoyed thoroughly there. Amazing Garba. Then I had a lot of quick travels to Mumbai, then to Goa, then back here, a lot of things like that. So yes, upcoming travels are also planned up. So right now, let's just give this video a thumbs up and start our discussion, and let me tell you what are the upcoming plans for Learn Code Online and the star student concept, and what is this star student concept. Okay, so hear me out first of all, and then I would really recommend to give your valuable feedback to me on this concept. So I'm about to start a new page on Learn Code Online that is going to be named as Star Student. Now I have seen in the past that a lot of students are doing really great at Learn Code Online. They have reached to the App Store, they have reached to the Google Play, they have created amazing and awesome websites, and I somehow want to help them more so that they can secure their very first job or want to switch their job. I want to help them. And what I will be doing, I will be taking their mails and everything, and I will be putting up into the Star Student section. This will be a new page on Learn Code Online, and on the Star Student section, what you need to do is you need to just send me an email with the email subject as Star Student Application. And inside that, you have to just write what you have done. If you can write up a small story about yourself, that would be amazing. I would try to make a video on you so that other people can get motivation from you. In case not, all you have to do is submit first of all the link of where your projects are. It can be GitHub, it can be your personal website or anything else. If you are into app development, make sure you submit your app, which is in the App Store or Play Store or maybe on the GitHub. If you're onto the Google Play, just make sure you submit your app to me. What I will be doing, there will be a separate page, Star Student section, and in that I will post your picture, as well as below on that I will be posting your links to your GitHub account or to your App Store. This will help you to improve your downloads on the app, as well as to visit your profile, and eventually the potential employee which we are going to tie up in the future will be directly contacting you based on the Star Student profile. Again, the star student profile is not paid. It will never be paid. It is always going to be a free concept so that I can promote programming and your work here. Okay, so this is the important update that you had. And if you are looking up forward something to post on that, make sure you post me an email at hitesh@learncodeonline.in or at hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com, the usual one. So make sure if you have created something and you want to get featured as a star student, write that email and post me up that. I will definitely look up onto that and will try to post your photo. And again, photos are really important. I want to make sure that your photos, you are known there. I just want to be there. Okay, so I hope everybody has understood what I'm trying to say here. In case you were not too much busy in writing the comments, that's are also appreciated. Don't send me the jar file or anything. You don't need to send that. You have to manage your hosting or anything onto yourself. If you are facing troubles in that, go ahead, watch my videos on GitHub or anything so that you can have that. It can be anything, starting from your C project to your C++, Java, web development. The only condition is somehow I have helped you in that. Maybe through my website, you are studying from there, or maybe through my YouTube videos, or just the interaction on the email. Anything is okay. If I have somehow helped you and you want to get featured on Learn Code Online, definitely go ahead and please drop me an email. Okay, so this is all. Free hosting web link won't be working because they are usually spams. So make sure you invest a little bit money in buying a domain and a hosting. You can try Big Rock, GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost. There are a lot of good ones. So go ahead, host your website or a project, anything just there. In case you don't have anything, just upload everything on GitHub. That is also great. I hope you have understood the concept. And now we will be taking question based on the star student things and all of that. Okay, so let's make this live productive. And if you have any more suggestions what we can do at Star Code Star Student, just go ahead and do that. Okay, let's take up question. Suryakant Kashyap says, what is Star Student? Star Student is somebody who has performed exceptionally well in learning something. And that means he has created something, even just a single page website, an app, maybe a Python script or anything like that. He is a star student because he have done something. Okay. How programmers should take care of their eyes? I don't take care much of that. I think eating green and carrots and spinach is eat healthy, eat healthy. Everybody knows that what is healthy for you. So go ahead. Taking a little bit care is always good. Drink plenty of water and something like that. Okay, office work or home-based work in IT sector, which is good. Both have their pros and cons. Like working from home is amazing. You can be a little lazy, can anytime drink your iced tea or something like that. But in the office, it's more productive, little bit more. So both have their own perks and drawback. Okay. Can you repeat your email? My email is already mentioned at my website, hiteshchaudhary.com. In case you want to get exact, it's hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com. Or you can also send me email at hitesh@learncodeonline.in. Okay. Can we code from mobile? No, I don't recommend that. Coding from mobile, it's not very productive. It's not very good. So I don't recommend that. Rajbeer says, hi Rajbeer, how are you? Sachin, good concept. Thank you so much. I really appreciate if you can even post the concept is good or you want some improvement in that. Later on, we are planning to have some kind of tie-ups with some recruiting organizations so that they can directly call you and get in touch with you. All of things is absolutely free here. So just we are going to do that. Okay, I want to create an Android app, but to publish an app in Play Store, I need to pay 15,000. Okay, that's big. And I can't afford. Tell me what I have to do. No, Lokesh, you don't need to pay for Play Store. You don't need 15,000. It's just $30, which I do remember if I convert that. If I convert $30, let's just say for around a 65, it's just like 2,000 rupees or below that. So Lokesh, wherever you have got the information that you have to pay 15,000 to get your app in Play Store, it's not correct. This is not 15,000. For Google Play, it's like 2,000. For Apple Pay, if you want to release your app in App Store, the Apple one, it's $99. I have recently paid for that, renewed my annual subscription. It's annual thing. On the Google, it's not annual, it's just a one-time payment. So from wherever you have got the information of 15,000, it is somehow misinterpreted or is misinformed. Okay, Lokesh, I hope I was clear there. I want that gray t-shirt. Can you send me one? These are just regular gray t-shirts. I would look forward to, if you wish, I can host a giveaway for these boring gray t-shirts. Surely I can send you one. Thanks for the great question, Anantaraj. Okay. Learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. What next? I would recommend React.js. If you have learned that much already, go ahead, try React.js. You will enjoy that quite a lot. Edited description. Yes, there is. I will add that in the description. I will also post a blog on that so that you can get full information, and there will be surely a separate video on that explaining all the concept. Once I finish up this blog, I will post more detailed information about the star student concept, definitely. Okay, I don't take questions about MCA versus MTech or BTech versus BCA. It's a personal choice, so definitely I don't do that. What are the requirements of star student? The requirement is you should have finished at least one project. It can be a single page website. Whatever the best you can do, and you can send it to me, that would be okay. I would review based on that, and I would also give you feedbacks on why you have made it to the star student, why you haven't made it onto the star student. The ultimate goal is you should have a project that should be decent enough. It's kind of your portfolio that I will be hosting on behalf of you, absolutely for free again. Always in our favor. Love from your crazy student. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you so much. How do I join star student? There is nothing to join in the star student. If you have made any project or if you have made any app, just send that to me on my email along with your photo that is required. I will be posting up a blog on that. This is just now a regular discussion. If somehow with that productive discussion we can make it a little bit better, that's I'm looking forward. Make some videos on SEO friendly URL and PHP. Definitely I'll make some SEO videos because our website is booming awesomely on SEO. We are hitting a India ranking in 9,000. From 4 lakh to 9,000 we have moved into that. So definitely we are going that. Sir, my app is live. Please check it. This app is only for developers. Yes, definitely. Rapper Hub, you can send me the link along with your actual photo. I would be really happy to host that on my website as a star student concept. Okay. Please tell us about C#. We will be keeping our discussion right now on to somehow to star student and some regular question, not discussion on that. Okay. Will you please explain how Android market works? I want to know how to monetize an app. There are a lot of ways to monetize your app. The easiest way would be AdMob. And there is an option in Firebase which helps you to get your advertisement up and running in Android app pretty quickly. So I would say go ahead, get started on Android, the Firebase. WhatsApp you on mobile 3 to 5 in last, but you haven't seen it. I don't keep that phone number. I don't have that mobile. A lot of students are making calls or WhatsApp on that number. It's not with me, it's with the company's guys. So that is not my personal number. I don't have a personal number right now. So whatever the WhatsApp or call you're trying to make are going to somebody else, not to me. Yes, of course, it's reaching to Learn Code Online, but not personally to me. To reach me personally, it's either it's Facebook or email or it's YouTube. So definitely you can reach me through that. How do I keep motivated to work? Keep checking your bank balance. If it says $1 million, you don't need to work. If it doesn't say $1 million, I guess you got the idea. Okay. In case you need more motivation, check out your garage. If it says couple of bikes like Harley Davidson and Hayabusa there, probably you shouldn't be working, just enjoy your ride. If it isn't there, why are you stopping there? Today's quality is awesome. Yes, I'm trying to make sure that the quality improves a lot, the audio improves a lot, but make sure you do post that setting buttons and whoop, check it to the highest level. Okay. Hi Hitesh, this is Jay. I am good at programming but not much advanced level, and I want to be in industries. I know HTML, CSS, JS, MySQL, PHP. What I learned in order to get a job. In order to get a job, whatever the skills that you have is amazing already. So start making projects in that and host those projects on some website or GitHub or something like that. Can we send our portfolio, Star student? Yes, definitely you can send your entire portfolio, but the problem here, Gurmeet, is I just want a couple of links from you, that's it. I don't want your entire big page resume. I want you to send me just your photo and a couple links, that's it. I will be redirecting direct crowd and direct traffic to you so that you can get. So wherever you are hosting your websites or apps or anything, you can just send it to me. This will surely help you. Remember me, see you soon in email. Surely Shubham, I'll surely see you in email. I always check all of the email. In fact, there will be soon videos on how in the future we are going to manage our emails and everything, because the traffic on the email is increasing every single day. So now support emails will be handled separately. The question regular stuff will be handled separately. This is all under plan. If you are already a student at Learn Code Online, you might have seen the support tab and the ticketing generation and all of that. It is right now in beta. But yes, the videos will be there soon out, and this concept will grow up soon and quickly. Okay. Want to create apps in Play Store. Can you tell me the language needed to learn to do it? We should need Java. Hi, Arvind Murli. You just need to check out my complete Android developer build 10 apps course, and that's it. You don't need anything else. That's it. Just one course. Okay. Formal education is must. No, if it is not very compulsory, but I would say if you can afford a formal education, go for it. But in case there are some monetary issues or you don't want to go that, it's not compulsory, because when you push your app into Play Store or Android Google Play, it doesn't ask you that have you done a BTech or have you done a BCA. It just says your app works and it says yes, that's it. That's it. Please make video on data structure and algorithm. Yes, it is being created, Vishwa. I have heard you. I know you have posted this in the past as well. But yes, videos on algorithms like bubble sort, merge sort, heap sort, these are gonna come up. Right now, these are getting converted and soon will be pushed out on Learn Code Online. So definitely we are working on that. We are hearing every single one of you. Working daily 5 hours with college and living single also. That's great. Okay. How Star Student Program help me? Star Student Program is there to support people to push their portfolio to potential employees. Not right now, but right now it's a good thing, a good achievement that you can write in your resume that, hey, I have been featured in at Star Student at Learn Code Online, which is a growing platform. And obviously potential employee can directly see what is there, what is not. So definitely it's going to help you quite a lot in pushing your portfolio as well as to write some things in your resume. Okay. Okay, so let's just go. Mehta Chaitali, sorry about that. Hello, sir. Hello. Complete front-end web dev bootcamp. What should I do now? Android or React.js? I would say React.js. React.js would be beneficial for you with that line. How do you manage your day-to-day living? It's complicated. I have a lot of resources, a lot of clients, YouTube stuff, Learn Code Online, of course, video trainings, boot camps, project works, a couple of university royalty that I can say that I've built programs for them. A lot is there coming up from different resources. So living is not at all a problem. Yes, of course, buying a new Harley Davidson is a little bit one because I'm planning. I already have one, but I'm looking forward for another. Okay, regardless of that, is it necessary to learn all language? No, you don't need that. That's of course. Is YouTube earning good enough? Yes, it's decent. It cannot definitely afford the whole thing that I'm doing here right now with these expensive lenses, cameras, setup. Definitely not good enough for that, but if you want to just make a decent living, it's okay. It's okay. You won't be getting perks like traveling, having beach holidays and all of that. It's not good for that, but it's decent enough. Okay. I am good, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's pick up more questions. How I send my Java project to you. Don't send me any project, just send me the link where your project is hosted. I will check out that directly. So please don't send me any project. If you will send that, I have to discard that email. No problem there. Okay. Hitesh, tell me about Selenium learning and career. Selenium is amazing and I would recommend to go with the Selenium with Java, not with Python. Selenium performs really well with Java. It's an amazing platform. Also with the Selenium, make sure that you learn Appium as well if you want to grow exceptionally well in the testing field. So definitely automation testing is quite booming there. So that's my views on that. What do you think about PHP plus React.js? I would say if you're using React.js, there is no need of PHP. If your work is already being done in PHP, there is no need of React.js. But if you're using React.js just as a component, I think that's fine. That's good enough. Okay. When do you sleep actually? That's a tough question. You don't need to sleep much. If you can actually replicate or what should I say, you can actually replace your sleeping with some of the exercise. I don't sleep much. It's already being seen from my eyes and all of that. So it's okay, it's okay. We are here to work. What about coding competition? Yes, it's very nearby, and in fact giveaways are also nearby. I'm planning to host some of the giveaways. These are not going to be regular giveaways. These are going to be giveaways of knowledge. Some books are going to be sent to your home and address and all of that. So yes, giveaways are also going to come up. Coding competition are also going to come up. Okay. We are developing one new project for both mobile and web. So I'm choosing React. That's a good choice. Thumbs up for that. The reason behind, so I can reuse the code for mobile. Is it correct? How much code can I reuse? I would say you can reuse almost 70% of the code from web into mobile. At least the logic part is not going to change. The places where you're putting up your variables or Redux collection or state management, whatever you are doing, that is going to remain exactly same in the mobile as well. I would also recommend to use some kind of neutral database like Firebase so that you don't have to code much there. So I would recommend that. That's a good choice, Anantaraj, a very good choice for React.js. I would definitely like to check out what you are building up. If you can share that with me on Facebook or mail, I would be really happy to check out that project for sure. Okay. So let's move on. Any plan to come Bikaner? No, there is no such plan for Bikaner because right now I have got a lot of invites from universities as well. And these invites, some of them I'm taking them up, some of them are not so good, so I'm not taking them up. But yes, there is a plan for Mumbai. I would be talking on an event there. Then I have an invitation from VIT in Chennai. I may be going up there based on what the conversation will get up in the near future. Due to some holidays and everything, things are not going quickly. But yes, Chennai is there in the plan. Bangalore is there in the plan. So Mumbai, Chennai and Bangalore, these are the three upcoming trips that I'll be making up. Of course, in the between there is a Germany trip as well. So a lot of trips are coming up. I don't know when I'll be working up. So definitely. So let's just pick up more questions. Thanks, man. Thank you. Learning Java offline or online? I would always recommend learn online. I'm a big fan of learning online. Do you skip comment? Yes, I skip a lot of them because the ticker actually goes so quickly then that it sometimes just get missed. Okay, sir, I have made an app. Finally, it is on the Play Store. It is not a very pro app, but it's good for beginners. Whatever the app you have created, just send it to me along with your photo. I would be really happy to feature you, Avijit Das, on the Learn Code Online star section. It will give you more downloads on the app as well as it will inspire more people that I can make apps, so you can be inspiration. So definitely send me that. Okay. When you are coming to Mumbai, my flight will be there to Mumbai on 7th of October. Already tickets are being done. So I will be in Mumbai on 7th. I will be staying in area near Powai, the Hiranandani Society or something like that. I'm not sure about that. But yes, I will be surely in the area near Powai. So if you can somehow afford to travel there or something, I would be really happy to see you. Okay. Let's pick up more questions. Specific reason for learning C#, what are the advantage and disadvantages? Okay, that's a good question. Now C#, first of all languages are amazing. Every language has its own specific purpose and why you should be learning that. If you are looking forward to go into the domain which is heavily oriented about .NET or web development using .NET, C# would be a good choice at that platform. If you are looking forward to design some games using Unity, Unity uses C# heavily. So if you are looking forward some kind of game design for mobile or for web, C# can be a really good choice. There are a couple of other implementations of C# as well. I don't use much C#, but yes, it's an amazing language. The only thing that I don't like about the C# is eventually when you work on the C#, eventually in the future, you are moving towards the Microsoft kind of environment like .NET, closely related to Microsoft and all these things. So that is the main reason why I don't use much C#, and especially I don't have much clients on the C# or demand of the C#. So these are my thoughts on C#, Mark Mayes. Okay. How will I send an app to you? Is it it's an iOS app? Surely you can send me an app. You can just send me a link. I have an iOS device as well. Couple of them are lying around here. Definitely I can reach a few of them. I hope you can see that this is again an iPad. I do have a couple of iPhones lying around here. So send me the link. I'll surely download that. I did a project in machine learning. Can I join Star Student? Hi Danish. Surely you can use Star Student there as well. Whatever the GitHub repository or anything that you have done, just send me. Surely you can join Star Student. Open-heartedly welcome. Okay. SS video asks an important question. Can we learn Java without basics of C and C++? 100%, 100% and always yes, yes, yes. You can learn Java directly. There is no such need of C or C++ for that. Yes, of course, sometimes it helps because the object-oriented programming concepts are greatly discussed in C++, but there is no such compulsion as like that, okay? Just directly get started with Java, and in fact there is some big news coming up for Java probably today or maybe tomorrow in your email. If you're already registered and have verified your email at Learn Code Online. In case you have logged in from Gmail or Facebook, it's already verified, but you got that. Okay, you have two different courses about ethical hacking and bounty hunter, pen tester. Please tell me the difference between them. The complete penetration testing and ethical hacking bootcamp is for beginners and people who have absolutely no idea about that. The bug bounty hunter course is kind of an intermediate course, and we are very soon going to be launching an advanced level course on that. That will be telling you things like burp suit and a detailed usage of Kali in 2017, WAPs and a lot of stuff are coming up. A lot of things are under pipeline and we are just trying to finish them up as quickly as we can. So definitely more are going to come up. So basically bootcamp is for the beginners, the intermediate is bug bounty, and the advanced level is going to come up. Okay. Where can I learn Android development efficiently? I would say learncodeonline.in. Okay. Are you on Instagram? Yes, Prasad, I am on Instagram. Not heavily active. I do get active on Instagram usually when I remember that I do have an Instagram. It's Hitesh0141. You will be finding a lot of pics from Egypt, Jordan, Paris, Switzerland, and I don't know what countries I have traveled. So, Okay, are you a self-taught programmer? I don't call myself a self-taught programmer because I've learned from a lot of great people from their talks, universities. So not totally a self-taught programmer, but quite a lot because I have taken a lot of online boot camps, offline boot camps, video courses from a lot of people. So I've learned from many. I would call that. Okay. And please come in Chitkara University for a session. Surely, Nilesh, if a university is going to invite me formally for that, I would love to come that. Just to give you a reminder, I don't charge anything for going into the universities most of the time. Yes, I do take travel and stay charges that needs to be managed by university because it doesn't make sense if I take out my busy time and just spend money on traveling and just go there to university for a talk. But yes, I love to meet students and that is the reason why I don't charge anything for that. But yes, travel need to be afforded by the universities. Okay, let's pick up more question. Okay, it's going really quick. Technical Guruji and Bibi went to Australia. That's great. I haven't went to Australia. Probably I'll start. I can plan something for Australia as well. I do have a couple of friends. Okay, let's pick up more question. Okay, you still haven't told me good resource for reverse engineering. Kotlin is too old technology, changes a lot. Vanilla buffer overflow doesn't work on modern apps. Yes, of course, because information security community is different than programming. I would not call anything apart from that. It's different, and the programming community actually likes to share and help quite a lot compared to pen testing community. So definitely I would say there are not much resources to learn and all these things. You can try out and post a subscription, I think $39 per month on Vivek Ramachandran's website. Go ahead, try that out and take his session. They are amazing. Okay, your email hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com. Recently have created hitesh@learncodeonline.in as well. Rahul, please come to our IIIT Jabalpur. Surely, if your college is going to invite me formally, you can ask your HODs and everybody to send an invite. I would surely love to come there. Do you watch Mr. Robot? No, I don't have much time to watch seasons. While traveling, I did watch a season of Junior Sheldon. I think they are calling it Junior Sheldon or something like that. It's amazing, and there was just one episode. Sir, why are you not starting your own company? I think I don't need to. I'm doing pretty well without company. I'm helping a lot of people without even company as well. So I think there is no such plan to start a company or something like that as of now. Sir, keep us posted on Insta as well. Yes, I do post quite a lot on Insta. I am active there. Not much, but yes, decently active. Okay. Let's pick up more question. I have joined your Kotlin course. Then I have one app for smartwatch. Okay, amazing. My question is Kotlin have future? Yes, amazing. Kotlin has an amazing future. Okay. Twitter address. I do have a Twitter account, but let me put that into a big words here. I'm not active on Twitter. A lot of people tweet me, send me direct messages and all of that. I'm not active on Twitter. Yes, it is there, Hitesh, DOTCOM, kind of hitesh.com. But I'm not active on Twitter. Please, whatever you have, just send me on Facebook or Instagram. It's really hard to manage so many of these social network along these, my own personal work and website. It's too much hard. So I'm not active on Twitter. Okay. Do you work in a company? I do work on freelancer and contract basis. So I get hired usually at a lot of companies. I don't work on a permanent basis or something, but yes, I do work there. Suggest some online boot camps. There are a lot of boot camps at learncodeonline.in. Go ahead, try that out. Videos on security. Yes, Asha, surely videos on security are coming up. In fact, we are working on that. Talking as of right now, they are getting edited. So yes, And in fact, there are a couple of remote interns that I have hired. They have worked amazingly, are working amazingly. Surely, more such information is going to come up in your email very soon. Okay. Have you applied in job in Google or Apple? No, I haven't applied anywhere. I just got an offer from Amazon. That was directly, I never applied there. It was an amazing interview session. I got everything cracked. I was offered a job at United States for working in NS3 domain, but I didn't pick that up. I like to work on my own. So that's brief about that. Okay. Make a video on SEO. Surely SEO will come up. Can I get an Android developer job without degree? Yes, you can. Surely, no problem in that. Why don't you go for Google? Why would I go for Google when I'm doing so good, living at my home, riding my Harley Davidson? Whenever I want, I can have my beach vacations. Whenever I want to travel abroad, I just get invitation from there. So why would I just be working on a closed environment where I have to just ask anything for there? I can just work on any project that I love to host on Learn Code Online or app, whatever I like to do. So how do you hire someone as an intern? Based on the knowledge, the interaction that he makes up with me. There are a lot of small time opportunities like 30 days intern, 15 days interns, remote interns, where you don't have to come to my place. You don't have ever to come to my place. You just sit in your city or your country and I just hire you from there. And I just pay you based on what we have agreed on that. So yes, definitely I do hire. Your Twitter address, I didn't find you on Twitter because I'm not active there. It's @Hitesh, DOTCOM. Still, I'm not active there. You won't be getting much replies there. Okay. How many languages you know? Talking about the general language, English, Hindi. Since I'm from Rajasthan, I do know Marwari and I can read all Spanish. Cannot speak much fluently that, but I can read all of that Spanish. Do understand a lot of it, and from programming perspective I know a lot. There is no big deal in that. Okay, software testing careers, a lot of questions. Your Facebook page, it's I think Hitesh Chaudhary page. I think everything is mentioned on my website hiteshchaudhary.com. All quick links are there. Can I be remote intern? Yes, Vansh, you can also be remote intern for sure. We are looking forward to have remote interns very soon. Probably, I guess on 10th of October, there will be another email sent to everybody who are registered at Learn Code Online to hire the remote interns. Okay, so let's just pick up a couple of more questions. And in the meantime, you can hit the thumbs up. Go ahead, do that. We really need your thumbs up there. Okay. Okay. Okay, questions are going so quickly. Okay, let's pick up more questions. Okay, where did that went up so quickly? Hola, Parth Patel says, hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, more questions, please. Done. Okay, a lot of questions. If you have any questions regarding to Star Student concept, again, just to summarize, because we are binding this up, let's quickly bind up. We are starting a concept on Star Student so that more people can get their products and their designs or whatever they have made can be featured up at Learn Code Online. We can do that. So we are starting a Star Student concept. Please do mail me your photo and the link, whatever you have done. It can be a GitHub link, it can be a direct app link. So make sure you send it to me at hitesh@hiteshchaudhary.com or at hitesh@learncodeonline.in so that I can post your photos at a Star Student section, which is very soon coming up, probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So that's all for this video, and it was an amazing, productive Sunday live again. Make sure you follow me up on Facebook page so that I can notify you about upcoming lives and everything, because I think for the next Sunday I do have a flight to catch up, so I won't be going to make up Sunday live. I think so, not sure about it. But definitely make sure you follow me up on Facebook page so that I can notify you about upcoming these such things. So bye bye for now, and I will surely catch you up in the next video. In case you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button. We are working really hard to make sure that the programming community grows up, and what the usual engineering colleges are missing up in programming, I'm trying to fill that bridge up. Let's see what I can do in that in the near future. That's it for this video. We'll catch you up in the next one.